Question number 1.
She not here yesterday. A is B, was C, wasn't.
Question number 2.
They very happy today. A is B, are C, aiming.
Question number 3.
I a teacher. A, M, B, are C, is.
Question number 4.
The birds flying high. A sings B, sang C are singing.
Question number 5.
He tea every morning. A, drink. B, drinks. C, drinking.
Question number 6.
We to the park yesterday. A, went B, go C, going.
Question number 7.
The teacher absent last Monday. A is B, was C, wasn't.
Question number 8.
My father reading a newspaper. A, M, B, is C, R.
Question number 9.
They my best friends. A, R, B, is C, M.
Question number 10.
He to school yesterday. A, go B, goes C, went.
Question number 11.
She watching TV now. A, M, B, is C, R.
Question number 12.
We in Paris last year. A, lived, B, lives, C, live.
Question number 13.
The sun in the east. A, rise, B, rises, C, rising.
Question number 14.
He his homework daily. A, do B, does C, did.
Question number 15.
They at the zoo yesterday. A, were B, was C, R.
Question number 16.
the baby crying now. A and B is C, are.
Question number 17.
She a new dress yesterday. A buys, B bought, C buy.
Question number 18.
We not eat meat. A do be, does C did.
Question number 19.
He in the garden now. A am, B are, C is.
Question number 20.
They watching a movie last night. A watch, B were watching, C watches.
Question number 21.
She my sister. A our B is C M.
Question number 22.
The dog barking loudly. A bark, B barks, C is barking.
Question number 23.
We best friends since 2015. A has been B, have been C, had been.
Question number 24.
He not like coffee. A does, B do, C did.
Question number 25.
The boys in the ground. A, M, B are, C is.
Question number 26.
I studying now. A, M, B is, C are.
Question number 27.
They gone to USA. A had, B has, C have.
Question number 28.
She's singing a song. A, E, M, B is, C are.
Question number 29.
We already finished homework. A have, B has, C had.
Question number 30.
He football yesterday. A played, B plays, C playing.
Question number 31.
She late yesterday. A our, B is, C was.
Question number 32.
The students in the class A is B are C, AT, A.
Question number 33.
He, my best friend, A is B are C, M.
Question number 34.
They going to the park. A goes, B went, C are going.
Question number 35.
The teacher very kind. A was B is C are.
Question number 36.
We in the park yesterday. A were B was C are.
Question number 37.
The sun hot yesterday. A are B is C was.
Question number 38.
She already finished her work. A have B has C had.
Question number 39.
They studying when I called. A was B were C are.
Question number 40.
The baby crying now. A M B is C are.
Question number 41.
I happy today. A M B R C is.
Question number 42.
He going to school daily. A goes, B went, C is going.
Question number 43.
She absent yesterday. A were B are C was.
Question number 44.
They waiting for the bus. A is B are C am.
Question number 45.
The boy very clever. A is B are C am aim.
Question number 46.
The dog barking loudly. A was B were C is.
Question number 47.
The children playing outside. A M B R C is.
Question number 48.
She not write the letter. A did B, do C, does.
Question number 49.
They gone home already. A, have B, has C, had.
Question number 50.
He's studying in his room. A is B, R, C, am.